Hey, I'm Max and I've been filming YouTube videos on this channel for over a month. I already made more than 10 videos, so I guess I can call myself a professional. Hold on, don't close this video. Although this channel is quite new, I've been on YouTube for a few years with my first channel. Throughout this time I uploaded 409 videos and gained 287,000 subscribers on niche educational content. So now I'm using my experience and knowledge to grow this channel literally from scratch. From this video you will learn how to start and grow your YouTube channel when you don't have any subscribers. I'll show you how using VidIq I boosted my very first video to the first place in YouTube search results for a keyword with almost 1 million searches per month. And I did it with almost no subscribers on this YouTube channel. Some tips from this video are completely unique and not trivial at all. Enjoy! After I figured out the general scope of topics for this channel, I started researching particular videos I want to film first. I already explained how I choose topics, check out this video. Now I'm going to show you what I did before shooting my first video. So this is the video we are talking about. As you see at the moment it has 1.5 thousand views on the channel with 316 subscribers, which means it gets traffic or viewership from somewhere else apart from their subscribers. My strategy was to get this video on YouTube search results for several keywords, especially the biggest one, which is Singapore. This word is being searched by people 824,000 times every month, and it worked out. Few hours after publishing the video, it started to rank #1 for the word Singapore, which is quite insane for a brand new channel. The thing is, YouTube gives a try to basically most of the fresh videos, even on new channels. Then there is a chance that your video takes off by YouTube algorithm. This is how YouTube secures itself not to miss a crazy cool piece of content. Let's say you interviewed Elon Mask and uploaded a video for a freshly created channel. So because YouTube gives a chance to all new videos, this video will probably just blow up. Otherwise, the video would be overlooked by the algorithm and YouTube would miss a chance to make some more money on it. Easy. I have not interviewed Elon Musk, but that's what I did to help YouTube to show my videos in the search results. Step 1. That's how I named this video. Pros and cons of living in Singapore as a foreigner. Brackets, Georgia Kenny is right. The main part of its title, Pros and cons of living in Singapore as a foreigner, is commonly used by other channels. So if we name it like this, we can get views from other channels by being recommended by YouTube next to their videos. What is Georgia Kenny is right? Georgia is one of the most famous YouTubers in Singapore who talks about this topic, life in Singapore for an expat. And she's one of my favorite creators as well. So, including her in the title, I'm increasing the chance to get picked up and stand next to her videos as well. And of course, including Singapore in the title is mandatory. Let me also show you how I used VidIq Google Chrome extension for creating the final version of the title. I'm typing in living in Singapore, pros and cons on YouTube. Then I'm looking for videos with the number of views similar or higher than the number of subscribers on a particular channel. This one. With VidIq installed, you can see the number of subscribers straight away, so no need to open each video. On the right hand side you can see a top creator on this topic, it's Georgia Kenny. The other very useful thing is top related opportunities. Here I can see all the good keywords. The bigger and the greener the number is better. It means lots of searches and low competition. Okay, based on the most successful videos on the topic, I choose the title Pros and Cons of Living in Singapore as a Foreigner. Also, as you can see here, Georgia Kenny is the perfect keyword. Let's go to the VidIq Keyword Inspector tool to double check. Okay, almost 19k monthly searches, and the competition is shallow. It's great, so we put her in the brackets. Sorry, Georgia. And that's how we came up with the final title. Pros and cons of living in Singapore as a foreigner. Georgia Kenny is right. By the way, VidIq is the must-have tool for every YouTuber. I've been using it for several years when growing my first channel up to 287,000 subs. So I'll leave you a link to VidIq in the description below. You'll get a free month if you use my promo code. Alright, step number 2. Then I verbally pronounce keywords including the word Singapore many times in the video, especially in the beginning. For example, I said Singapore 4 times within the first 40 seconds. Singapore, 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 Singapore. YouTube algorithm is smart and it picks up keywords also from your voice. But it's not smart enough to press the like button on your behalf. So please do it yourself. Okay, step number 3, description and tags. Let me show you the main parts of the description. The first 2 lines have to unfold the title as it gives an additional argument to click on your video when someone sees its preview somewhere on YouTube. Okay, let's go below. Here I personally use about this channel part. Then join me here section with the links to my Instagram and Telegram channel. I'll explain why you need a Telegram channel later. Next section is what is this video about. It's needed mainly for the algorithm, not for the viewer. Before filming a video, I make a script or a bullet point plan. So I just copy paste this script to the description and make few corrections. By the way, in case your video is too long, like more than 20 minutes, then it's a good idea to make time codes like this one. It's crazy how so many channels just ignore it. It's great both from the algorithm standpoint and viewers experience. Okay, tags. That's the fun part. VidIq suggests you tags and you just make choices one by one. You better choose tags with the VidIq rating 60 plus, ideally 70 plus. If you are just starting out, it's better to choose more niche keywords, meaning less monthly searches, like 2 to 3k and maybe up to 10 to 20k, I would say. And only if you're really confident, you can use such super popular keywords like Singapore. Again, these recommendations will give you more chances to show up in the search results. Now let's look for the word Singapore on this page. You see how many times it's included. So now you understand why this video was searchable for the Singapore keyword. Step number 4, WhatsApping friends. I wrote to many of my friends about this channel. I used WhatsApp, Telegram and Facebook Messenger. First, I composed a template, and then for every person I used a small personalized introduction. So this exercise gave the fresh channel a boost of views, which is great for the algorithm. Also, I got a lot of traffic from Singapore location, which again gave the right signal for the algorithm where to promote my video. And yes, don't be afraid to do it. I got 0 negative responses. Okay, I'm gonna give you another life hack, but to understand it properly, you have to be subscribed to this channel and the notification bell has to be pressed as well. That's the only way to consume the best-in-class knowledge from this channel. Okay, step number 5, Telegram channel. Few months before launching a YouTube channel, I decided to start a Telegram channel where I would tell how I was preparing for the launch. Hey guys, thanks for supporting me with my launch of my new YouTube channel in English. I made a few posts about this Telegram channel on my Facebook, Instagram and some friends and working related chats. As a result, I gained 150 people on this Telegram channel. So I started to write there about my YouTube launch. That was easy as I was just explaining what I did. So when I finally launched my YouTube channel, I wrote about it on my Telegram and gained first views from there as well. Cause my Telegram audience has already become interested in this project. I still continue to write to this Telegram channel. There I show numbers from YouTube analytics, give my perspective on growing on YouTube, and occasionally I post some behind the scenes.
Oh my!
So, if you're interested in growing your own YouTube channel, please join it. I'll leave a link in the description below. So, what was the result? After launching the first video, it became #1 in the YouTube search results for the word Singapore, which is quite crazy. As I mentioned, this keyword is being searched every month for almost 1 million times. We beat even a Singaporean Minister for Finance, Mr. Lawrence Wong video update on CNA and Straits Times. Sorry, Mr. Wong. After one day, the algorithm kicked out this video from the search results for Singapore, but we got our portion of traffic and gained some traction, which is great for a brand new channel. The risk of having the majority of views from Singapore also exists. The main desired audience for any English language channel is the United States. And so in this case, the YouTube algorithm can start to promote my channel mainly to Singapore geo and might deprioritize the American geo. We will see later how it turns out, but anyway, it's better to start and adapt after than having too many concerns initially and never start, right?